Imagine cruising down the open road in something that looks straight out of the 1970s, all chrome, curves, and nostalgia, but step inside, and boom, it's 2026 level futuristic comfort. Meet the 2026 Retro RV, the ride that's making everyone question what modern really means. This isn't your grandpa's motorhome, it's a time machine wrapped in luxury, where vintage vibes meet cutting-edge innovation. From the outside, it's a masterpiece. Those rounded corners, those polished aluminum panels that shimmer like a mirror under the sun, and the signature retro stripes that scream, classic road trip. But here's where the twist kicks in. The 2026 Retro RV might look old school, but it's powered by an advanced hybrid electric engine that's whisper-quiet, eco-friendly, and can go hundreds of miles on a single charge. It's not just stylish, it's smart, because retro doesn't have to mean outdated anymore. Step inside, and your jaw's about to drop. The interior is pure retro luxury reimagined. Think warm wood panels, neon edge lighting, soft velvet seats, and brass accents. But then, look closer, that old-school dial on the dashboard? It's actually a touch-sensitive control that adjusts everything from lighting to temperature. There's even a holographic display that appears when you start the engine, greeting you by name and syncing with your smartphone in seconds. And get this, the living space feels like a 5-star suite on wheels. A fold-out sofa that turns into a full bed with just one button, a hidden kitchen equipped with induction burners and a self-cleaning sink, and windows that automatically tint to block the sun while you drive. The designers of this RV didn't just blend old and new, they reinvented travel comfort altogether. But the real showstopper? The mood. Every detail inside this retro RV has been carefully crafted to make you feel something. When the ambient lighting turns warm and that subtle 80s-inspired soundtrack plays, you don't just drive, you drift into another era. It's like living inside a movie. Even the tech is designed to blend in. A hidden solar panel system keeps your batteries charged, an AI assistant plans your routes based on your preferences, and the onboard Wi-Fi hub means you're always connected, no matter where your adventures take you. And yeah, it's not cheap. But those lucky enough to snag one say it's worth every penny, because it's not just transportation, it's an experience. It's a rolling statement that says, I appreciate the past, but I live in the future. So, whether you're a nostalgia lover, a design geek, or a dreamer who craves freedom on the road, the 2026 Retro RV is calling your name. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a vibe, a story waiting to be written on every highway it touches. Would you take a trip across the country in this beauty? Because one thing's for sure, once you step inside the 2026 Retro RV, you'll never look at travel the same way again.